Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Bismillah alhamdulillah. Assalatu wassalamu ala ashrafil mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. So dear friends, today we discuss about anthropology and discipline of knowledge. So firstly we discuss about the word anthropology. So the word anthropology comes from two Greek words anthropos meaning human and logos meaning thought or science. So anthropology means science, thought of science or study of human. So let us discuss about definition of anthropology. So anthropology is the scientific study of humanity concerned with human behavior, human biology, cultures and societies in both the present and past, including past human species. So anthropology is the study of or research of the past uh, human species, also the present human species and cultures and human biology and human behavior. So in this discuss about humans in past and present. Next we discuss about branches of anthropology. So there is mainly four branches for anthropology. Firstly, biological anthropology. So the biological anthropology, uh, biological anthropologists are usually involved in one of three different areas of research. So they research in different three areas. Firstly, human biology. Human biology is learning about human diversity, genetic inheritance patterns, non-cultural adaptations to environmental stresses and other special biological characters of our species. And secondly, second area, primatology. So primatology is studying about non-human primate, which usually done in a natural setting among wild, like monkeys and other related animals. So human biology is study about humans and primatology study about animals in wild like monkeys. And thirdly, paleoanthropology. So this paleoanthropology recover the fossil record of early humans and their primate ancestors in order to understand the past of our evolution. So paleoanthropology is about fossils. We can know our evolution, about our evolution. And second branch of anthropology is cultural anthropology. Cultural or socio-cultural anthropologists are interested in learning about the cultural aspect of human societies all over the world. So they discuss their research about human societies in all over the world. They usually focus their research on such things as the social and political organization, marriage patterns, and kinship system, subsistence and economic parties, and religious beliefs of different societies. So their research also about society's marriage and their kinships of their ancestors, like that. And third branch of anthropology is the linguistic anthropology. So linguistic anthropology study the human communication process. Mainly they focus on humans communication system. So they focus on understanding phenomenon as physiology of speech, structure and language, and social cultural influence on speech and writing and proper communication. So they focus on how a society have a language, how they speak that, like that, like this is linguistic anthropology. And fourthly, archaeology. So archaeologists are interested in recovering the prehistory and early history of societies and their cultures. So they focus on societies prehistory and about their ancient humans and ancient fathers. They systematically uncover the evidence by excavating, dating, and analyzing the material remains left by people in past. So, how they prove that? So, they prove that by excavating the things that left by ancient peoples in past. And there is another kind of anthropology, it is applied anthropology. It is in applied anthropology, this knowledge and this methodology of problem solving are used for practical purposes in corporation, government agencies, non-governmental organization, medical institution, and other non-academic settings. So this anthropology is mainly used in corporations, government factories and corporations and companies. So uh, we discuss about anthropology and its brands and discussions include in anthropology. So let's wind up. Wa akhir da'wana alhamdulillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.